If Ziva were 5 years, no, Ziva were younger by 5 years, then what she really is, then the square of her age would have been 11 more than 5 times her actual age. What is her age? So we have a person. So they're talking about is the age related problem, right? So I'm just going to draw a rough diagram. Okay, so this is better shown in your linear equation concept map. So whenever you get age related problem, what is that we have to do? We have to talk about x and y being the present age, and the past and the future will be x minus p and x plus q, right? Something like this. So this will help. If present age is x, there is only one character, and the future past age, how many years back? 5 years back. The kid's age will be x minus 5, or the person's age will be x minus 5. So we'll start off with calling let the age of Ziva, present age, be x. Then what is that we're looking at? We're looking at or 5 younger by 5 years, right? 5 years back, or we can directly write given. Younger by 5 years means 5 years back. Then what she really is, then the square of her age would have been, then the square of her age in years would have been 11 more than 5 times her actual age. That age 5 years back would have been, the square of this would have been 11 more, 11 plus 5 times her actual age, 5 times of her actual age. Does it make sense? Okay. And now what is our actual age? All we have to do is expand, so on and so forth. So we have to use a minus b the whole square formula, so that you guys can complete it. And as per that formula, we have x square plus 25 minus 10x. I'm transposing all of this, so we have minus 11 minus 5x is equal to 0. And this would be x square. These are like terms, so minus 15x, and then the constant, that would be minus plus 14 is equal to 0. And now we can either use formula method or splitting the middle term method. I'll go with splitting the middle term because formula method is direct. You guys can do it on your own. So when we multiply, we should get 14. 1 into 14, 14. When we add, I should get minus 15. So what are the possible numbers? 14's factor is 1 and 14, 2 and 7. That's it, is it not? Yeah. So which is the possible number? Well, to get 15, it is 14 and 1, because we are looking at minus 15. We are looking at minus 14 minus 1. So we have 1x square minus 14x minus 1x plus 14 is equal to 0. Okay. And now we have common x over here, so x minus 14, and here again we need x minus 14, remember. So what should I take? See, minus 1x, and this is 1x, so we have to take minus 1, and thus we have x minus 14 into x minus 1, which is equal to 0. And so the kid's age is, basically we are looking at the roots. So the roots would be, alpha would be x minus 14 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 14, while your beta would be x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. So what is her practical age? Yes, her present age is 14. And that would be your answer. Right guys, so here the main thing is the diagram to a certain extent. It might be easy for you guys, but I still would advise learn to do this. You have learned it in linear equation, apply it. And everything else is quite simple. And you can use formula method over here if you guys don't want to do this. If not, yeah, it's a simple straightforward question. And don't forget to write years. Okay.